Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Thule license plate holder accessory for your bike racks and cargo carriers. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to use it and some of its features. As you can see, your vehicle license plate can be covered by bikes and cargo, and that is the point of the license plate holder, is to keep your license plate visible and illuminated while on the roadway. The license plate holder does have 4 screws that are going to hold the license plate in and hide the buckles, so that way it is hung in position. It will require tools to remove and steal your license plate holder. You will notice that the license plate holder is in fact illuminated. There are 2 LEDs, so you can be seen while on the roadway, and it contains an adapter to connect to the tow harness on your vehicle. Before you mount the license plate on it, let's go ahead and hang it where we want it in position on the cam buckles. First, pull the strap from behind the license plate holder and then depress the cam buckle to pull it back out. Repeat this for the other cam buckle. Once we've loosened the cam buckles, you can choose to mount it in the location that suits you, your bikes, and your vehicle. It can be used on the bike rack itself. Once you've chosen your location, pass your strap back through the license plate holder. Depress the cam buckle and go up and out. Cinch it tight, pass the strap back out the license plate holder, and repeat for the other buckle. You can now use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. The fasteners behind it are set in plastic and you do not require a tool. However, you will want to keep them in place so they do not fall out on you. You can now install your license plate and re-secure with the screwdriver. Now connect the included jumper to the back of the license plate holder and connect it to the vehicle wiring ground and running light on the 4-flat connector. The exposed end of the 4-flat connector on the vehicle is ground. Now I'm going to use a zip tie to secure this loose wiring for my adventure. That concludes our review of the Thule license plate holder. Remember to be safe out there, and I'll see you on the trails. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.